Jai Hind dear students, welcome to this video. As we have learned question 1 of exercise 8.3, let's learn how to solve question number 2. Question number 2 says that some parts are given and we need to convert each part of the ratios to percentage. So basically ratio of the part has to be converted into percentage. We have to find each part of the ratios as the percentage of the whole. So let's start with part A. In part A we have 3:1, right? So let's write down the ratio first. So ratio is given 3:1. So what is the total? It means that total of the parts is equals to 3 plus 1, as we have two parts only, right, which is equals to 4. Now we can express each part of the ratios as the fraction of the whole and hence as the percentage of the whole. So first part, let's find first part. So first part is 3, right? So the fraction will be the part over total, right? So 3/4 is the fraction of the whole. So now if we will convert in percentage, so 3/4 into 100%, right? To bring percent we are writing 100. So now 25 times is 100 and 25 3 times will gives you percentage of the first part. So 75 is the percentage of the first part, right? Now let's find for the second part. So for the second part, first of all we will find out the fraction. We will take 1, the number which is correspond to the first part, and then divide it by the total will gives you the fraction of the whole. So it's 1/4, right? And to convert into percentage we will multiply it by 100. So 1/4 into 100% will be the percent of the second part, and it will be 25. So 25% is the percent of the second part, and directly you can find it by subtracting 75% the first part from 100. I hope so I'm clear at my point. So for the first part the percentage is 75% and for the second part it is 25%. Clear? So in this way we will solve the question. Now coming to the B part. In B part, if you will see, we have 3 parts. The 3 parts are, or we can say the ratio are 2:3:5. We will find out the percentage for each part. So let's find total of the parts. So total of the parts is 2 plus 3 plus 5, which will gives you 10, right? So basically we are going to find for the first part. For the first part it will gives you part of the whole. So the fraction which will be for first part is 2, right? And over total, that is 100. So 2/10 is a fraction of the first part, and we can reduce also. Into 100 will gives you the percentage. So 0 will be cancelled out by 0. 2 times 10 is 20, right? So 20% is the percentage of first part. Now let's move to the second part. In second part we are having 3, which is correspond to the right of 2, which is 3 upon total, that is 10. Now we are going to convert into percentage. 3/10 will be multiplied by 100. Again 0 and 0 will be cancelled out and we are left with 10 into 3. That will gives you final result as 30%. Okay, to find third part you can directly add 30 plus 20, that is 50, and subtract by 100 or from the whole. Okay, so and the second way to find for the third part, which we have to find, that is for third part. So third part is equals to, let's find out the third part. Yes, it is 5 upon total. So 5 upon 10 is a fraction of the whole, and if you are going to convert into percentage, it will be like this, right? 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. We are left with 10 and 5. 5 into 10 times is 50. So 50% is the percentage of this part. So we will write for 2, if we will express in percentage, it is 20%. For 3 we have expressed as 30%, and for 5 we can write as 50%. Right? So in this way we will solve this type of questions. I hope so you have understood. If not, please go through the video again, and in any problem let us know. Let's move to the next question in our next